Okay, guys, I was told to say top of the morning. Is that cool? Probably not. Okay, we need to learn about triangle midsegments, okay? So, first of all, we have a triangle over here now, don't we?
Yeah.
Let's highlight this triangle. We have the triangle ACE. Now, we're talking about midsegments. Well, what's a midsegment? Oh, well, I'm going to tell you what a midsegment is. A midsegment is a line segment. Y'all know what a line segment is, right? Is everybody listening to me?
Yeah.
This is that wonderful moment in life where you get to stop and listen to Miss Wilson and her all amazingness. And I have a little bit of a cold right now, so I might sound a little funky. Okay? But I'm here. I'm here because I love y'all. And I want to get paid. Okay?
All
right? If I'm not here, I'm not getting paid. All right, so what is a midsegment? A midsegment is a line segment. We know what a line segment is, right? Yeah. Where do you guys see a line segment within this triangle? Ah, very good. B and D. Let's highlight that a different color. What color should we do it, y'all?
Purple.
Purple. Okay. Purple. I already chose purple, sorry. BD. That is our line segment, okay? I'm even going to take that little note right here. The line segment is BD. Very good, you guys. Now that line segment is doing something. What's it doing, you guys? Yes. Okay, so let's see if B and D is doing just that. It's connecting the midpoints, ooh, another keyword, of two sides of a triangle. Okay? Well, what's the first side that B and D is connecting? What's this first side over here? AC or CA. Very good, R. About blasted you on YouTube. Sorry. What's the other side that line segment B and D is connecting? CE or EC, however you want to say that. Okay, now, it happens to be connecting the midpoints. So that means B and D are midpoints of the sides. Okay? Now, what do we know about midpoints? What does the midpoint do to this line segment? Let's say this was 4. Segment CD was 4. Right? So Freddie, I said your name out loud. I know, who's that? Who's that? Okay, so DE would be how much?
4.
Very good. It would be 4. Right? Now, what is the whole side? CE, what does that equal? 8. Oh my gosh, you guys are so amazing and wonderful in every single way.
Jeffrey, you're so smart.
Look at that. So this whole thing would be 8. So this whole thing would be 8. Okay? All right, now I don't want to get too confusing, so I am going to erase a little bit of this stuff, okay? But just so you guys remember, B and D are the midpoints, okay? Now notice, this one is so nicely marked with congruence, isn't it? Okay, using the same concept over here, I have 4 and 4. Well, let's say this is 3. So that was line segment CB of this triangle. What is line segment BA? Very good. Y'all got that?
Yeah.
Make sure. E. Mr. E, you got this? What's BA? Yes. Wonderful. Manny, you got this? Okay. I'm just saying names. I just can't help it. Okay. R, you got it? You paying attention? Okay. Oh, you can't have him. Oh, he's never here. I don't know who that is. I've never seen him. Tell him that I would like to meet him someday. Have them call the mamas. Okay. Now, so the whole segment CA is how much, guys? 6. Y'all warm my heart. Beautiful. Okay, let's move on. Since a triangle has, how many sides does a triangle have, y'all? 3 sides. Each triangle is going to have 3 midsegments. I will show you what that means. Let's erase all this. Y'all okay if I erase all that? Oh no! You can always rewind the video, right? Okay. It has 3 midsegments. Let me show you what that's talking about. Okay, so here we have one big triangle, right? And then this is the middle. Okay, so that's 1. Now, let's look at it this way. Now we're going to look at this being our triangle. And we're going to have a midpoint over here somewhere. So let's just say this is our midpoint. Does that look about the middle? I'm just guessing. Let's just say this is my middle. Okay, and then my middle is still going to be this one over here, right? So you almost have to ignore the BD. And now we're going to connect to these two. We'll just say this is F. So now we have the line segment EF. So this is still going to be congruent to this one, and this one is still going to be congruent to this one. Can you guys see that? Okay? You see it? Now, on a test, there would be a point there to let you know where the middle is. You're not going to be making it up, okay? All right, now. So, again, with that same concept, if this was 2, what's this one over here? What's FE? 2. So, we had AF was 2, FE is 2. Very good. You guys get it. Now, we're going to look at the other one. So, now let's say, let's use a different color just for fun. How about dark blue? Somebody wanted blue earlier. Maybe not so thick. Okay, now we're going to look at CEA as our triangle, with CA being kind of our base. So D is going to be the midpoint of this side, and then we're going to still have F over here for this side. Now I'm guessing, but normally they'll tell you. Now we're going to connect those midpoints. Okay, all I'm doing is connecting midpoints, right? The midpoints of side CE and the midpoint of side AE. And my midpoints now are DF. So that line segment or mid segment is now FD. Same thing applies. If this was 8, what would this one over here be? 8. If this was 7, what would this one be? 7. What would the whole CE equal?
14.
Good. And what would the whole AE equal?
16.
16. Very good. Y'all are so amazing. Wonderful. Okay. Oops, I erased some of my notes. It's okay. Okay, a triangle midsegment is parallel to the third side of the triangle. So BD, do we remember our properties of parallel lines? Whoa, stop. Okay. So here's BD, right? That's our midsegment. And what is it saying? A triangle midsegment is parallel. Oh, my throat's going out. So it's parallel to what? The third side. That's talking about the bottom here. Or you could say base, or, I mean, it is the third side of the triangle. Okay? It is parallel to that. Do y'all remember how I notate parallel? What do I write right here? Very good, an arrow. That looks so amazing. An arrow. That notates that it is parallel. Okay, here is like what you need to know, what you need to remember from today. I mean, besides everything. But you need to remember that the third side, okay, the midsegment is parallel to the third side of the triangle. And this midsegment, BD, is half the length of the third side. So if I said that AE was 10, take a moment and figure out what would line segment BD or the triangle midsegment BD equal. So amazing. I don't know if you guys can hear it on the video, but all these kids are saying that, well, half of 10 is 5, so BD would be 5. And they are so right. Yay! I swear, I have like the best class ever, you guys. All right, so that is what you need to know. That is what you need to learn today. Now, in a second, we're going to get out the Play-Doh or maybe some construction paper, or maybe you want to just draw it on your OneNote. You're going to create a triangle and create a midsegment. And I want to see your measurements. So if you take out a ruler and you've got CD is 3, then I want DE to be 3, And I want you to measure BD and make sure that AE is double of BD. So when you're making this when you're making the mid segment of your triangle, you need to make sure that it measures correctly. So there's rulers over there. Got some Play-Doh. Get out some construction paper if you'd rather do that. Okay? Give me a thumbs up if you know what you're supposed to be doing. And I see so many thumbs up. It warms my heart. All right, guys. Can I say, what am I supposed to say to close it out?
Shout out to
Oh, shout out to my first period at Klein Forest. Woo, y'all rock. And, oh, like and subscribe. I'm supposed to say that. And y'all are supposed to actually like and subscribe. Please don't not like my videos, okay? I can't help it. I'm just a teacher. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay? I just teach. I don't do YouTube channels. But anyway, okay. Love you guys.